Hey everyone, I am going to talk about what a junior KG student should learn. The child should be able to tell about themselves. For example, my name is Nainika, I am 4 years old, I am a girl. The child should voluntarily tell the names of body parts, like for example, this is my nose, this is my head. And they should also know the 5 senses: eyes to see, nose to smell, skin to feel, ears to hear, tongue to taste. They should know the usage of emotion to express feelings while they are communicating. For example, I am happy, I am sad, I am worried. They should be identifying types of houses like building, stick house, igloo, caravan, tree house, boat house, apartment, etc. They should name all the relationships in the family, like this is my mother, this is my father, this is my aunt, this is my grandpa, and so on. They should know all their community helpers in the society. For example, doctors, fireman, vegetable vendor, teacher, postman, drivers. They should also know all their tools and vehicles. For example, teacher uses a chalk, duster, doctor uses a thermometer, etc. They should be able to identify the objects used by the particular community. They also should be able to identify the vehicles used by a community helper. For example, police uses a police car, doctor uses an ambulance, etc. Talk about school. They should be able to say a few sentences about their school. For example, school name, friend's name, teacher's name, and so on. Types of plants. They should be able to name 3 to 4 types of plants. For example, shrubs, climbers, creepers, herbs. They should also know the parts of the plants: root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, and bud. They should know good habits and keeping clean. They should arrange the stages of germination, the 4 stages in sequence: seed, seedling, young plant, adult plant. They should be able to name 10 different flower names. They should be able to name the vegetables, and they also should be able to categorize what are the leafy vegetables like spinach, fenugreek, mint, curry leaves, etc. and underground vegetables, for example, potato, onion, ginger, beetroot, turnip, garlic, yam, sweet potato, carrot, radish, etc. Next, types of gourds like bitter gourd, bottle gourd, rich gourd, snake gourd, spiny gourd, and so on. They should be able to name types of beans: cluster beans, kidney beans, lima beans, etc. They should be naming different types of fruits. They should know the seed concept of fruits. In example, no seed fruit is banana, one seed fruit is mango, many seed fruit is papaya. They should know the difference between healthy food and unhealthy food. Next comes the animal kingdom. The child should be able to differentiate the animals into wild animals and domestic animals. They should also name the wild animals and domestic animals and their young ones and their sounds. They should know what are pets and how to take care of them. They should be identifying aquatic animals like shark, seahorse, octopus, squid, fish, eel, etc. Identifying amphibians like frog that lives both on land and water. They should know the difference between land animals and water animals. They should know the life cycle of a frog, egg, tadpole, froglet and frog. They should also know the life cycle of a butterfly, egg, caterpillar, chrysalis and butterfly. They should be naming reptiles like crocodile, snake, lizard, chameleon. They should be naming extinct animals and bird, mammoth, dinosaur, dodo bird. They should know types of birds like parrot, peacock, crow, hen, ostrich, emu, penguin, etc. They should also be able to identify different body parts of a bird, for example, beak, feathers, wings, leg, eye, bird's body, tail, etc. They should know the names of different insects like spider, ant, butterfly, cockroach, dragonfly, housefly, bees. They should know means of transportation. The child should know what are land vehicles, water vehicles, air vehicles. For example, land vehicle is a car, bus, and water vehicle is a boat, ship, cargo ship, and air vehicles like helicopter, aeroplane, etc. Means of communication. It means how we communicate through letters, mobile phones, laptops, television, etc. They should know the different types of seasons. For example, summer season, winter season, and so on. What clothes we wear in the particular season and what food we consume in the particular season. They should know the national symbols of India. For example, national bird, national animal, national fruit, national currency. They should also know the national pledge and the national anthem. They should know the use of magical words like please, thank you, welcome, etc. They should also know festivals of India, Holi, Dasara, etc. They should be naming sun, star, moon, sky. They should also know the planet names. Next is the English language. They should be able to tell weekdays and how many days are there in a week. They should also know months of the year and how many months are there in a year. They should know the an and a concept. An is used when a word starts with vowel. For example, an apple. A is used when a word starts with consonant. For example, a ball. They should be able to identify and write both capital and small alphabets. They should be able to match the alphabets to the pictures like A is for apple, B is for bat. They should know the phonic sounds A to Z. A says A, B says B, and so on. They should know the phonics. A is for A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, and so on. They should do the picture talk, showing any picture related zoo park, hospital, airport, building, birthday party, etc. Talking about what's happening in the pictures, and they should recognize the tools and the things in the pictures. They should know all the primary and secondary colors, that is lighter shades of color and darker shades of color. They should know 5 time related words: morning, afternoon, evening, night, yesterday, today, tomorrow. Make sure that they are using these time related words while they are communicating with you. They should know position related words: up, down, in, out, on, under, in between, next to, in front of, behind, etc. Next is the direction words, the words which shows the direction: forward, backward, front, back, left side, right side. They should know phonic sounds of alphabets and start reading and blending two-letter words with phonics like an, am, at. They should know all the vowels and consonants. They should be able to tell stories by themselves and recite rhymes. They should know singular and plural words like book, books, pen, pens. They should also know three-letter words belonging to any family. For example, 80 family words: cat, bat, mat, pat, hat. Example of an OG family: dog, log, and so on. They should attempt to read words using phonic sounds. They should know this and that concept. So this is used in a practical way. You can ask your child to get something that's near. Get me this, and something that's far. You can ask them to get that and use the concept in a practical way. They should know opposites like hot, cold, happy, sad, up, down, and so on. Max, they should be able to write numbers 1 to 100. They should know number names 1 to 20. They should know counting by tens. They should understand the value of 0. They should be able to count and match the number and count and write the number. They should know all the names of shapes and sort objects depending upon shapes. They should also draw the shapes. They also should draw some small things like sun, fish, hut, moon, etc. They should know numbers that comes before, after, in between, from 1 to 100. They should know missing numbers 1 to 100. They should know the place value of digits, ones, tens. They should know fewer objects and more objects. They should use less than, greater than, equals to sign to identify the greater, lesser number of objects. They should know forward counting 1 to 20 and backward counting 1 to 20 as well. The child should distinguish between heavy, light, big, small, big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, tall, short, thick, thin. They should orally tell tables 1, 2, 3. I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe and check out my channel. Thank you for watching.